think it's time to get rid of the 22s, man. I mean, they look nice. Don't get me wrong, they look nice. But, I don't know, man. I think I'm ready for some 20s, bro. I want some meat on that back tire, bro. I want as much meat as possible, but not crazy, though. I want 20s, though. So, I ain't really made my mind up on what 20s I want to go with. But I got something in mind. I think y'all gonna like it, though. I know I said I was gonna do the lights next, but I don't know, man. I gotta think about the wheels long term and stuff. I was like, man, with these 22s, I'm just not gonna be happy. So let me just make my, you know what I'm saying? Let me just make my decision that's gonna make me happy. And that's just how it's gonna go. But I just went to the stores, just picked up my stock wheels, so I'm gonna go back to this tire shop and get my sensor swapped. And meet up with my homeboy. He gonna take me to go sell my rims to somebody. But I'm gonna let y'all. Dang, gaslight just came home. I'm gonna catch you up back with y'all when I get to the shop. Alright, man. Peace. Let me jack the car up. Put my stock on. These hoes ugly. Put the stocks back on. Man, this place I be going to ain't all that bad, to be honest. I think I'm gonna get my when I get my four nittos. I think I'm gonna get my 4 nittos at this place. With this place, instead of discount tire for some tires, bro, their price is a little better. Get a beast right there. I can't wait to put my new wheels on, though. I don't know which one I'm gonna go with yet, but they're gonna be nice, though. Bro, if them jacks give out, hell nah, bro. I just hope I got enough time to do all this, man. I gotta go to work after this, bro. Well, not right after this. I gotta meet that dude first. But I'm going straight to work, man. I hope I got enough time for it. Have you had any problems with him?
Nah, never.
Like one not working or something?
No, never have.
That's what's up.
Gotta be sure.
And then was it like a pre-built light, or you had to put?
Pre-built.
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
Yeah, the pre-built ones look like they cost up there.
Yeah, they're pre-built because they're more expensive.
Yeah. Sitting out here waiting for my boy to pull up. Then we're gonna meet with the people selling the rims. Hopefully everything goes smooth. I mean, it should. Ain't nothing wrong with the rims for real. Besides the car wash scratched them up a little bit. But damn, I might have to have them meet me closer, man, because I ain't know it's gonna take this long. I'm taking way too long at this place, so I might drop the price a little bit. Just because, man, I already been planning to get new wheels, you know what I'm saying? It's not like I need these to get my next ones. It's just I could use a little pocket money getting the new tires for the new rims. These rims gotta go. I mean, like I said, they nice though, but they do gotta go. The damn car wash did that. This right here, that right there, all this right here, and this, and these right here. When I had first put them on, cause I had got the membership when I first got my car.
Did you get mad, nigga?
Dude, hell yeah, I got mad. Nigga, bro, I can feel my car lifting up from the back left, bro.
Oh.
When it was trying to pull me forward when you put it in neutral. Because the rims is so much rim versus tires. You know what I'm saying? Other people's shit, it be tires right there.
Yeah, so
because they on 20s. Yeah.
Well, what if your tire was that wide? Yeah, boy, that look.
When you take off on your way, it'd be like in front of you.
Oh shit, you got the license plate thing around it?
Insert the carbon fiber.
Yeah.
Hey, they loaded up. I'm about to say my goodbyes, man. Y'all were good to me.
This one's fucking.
Y'all was good to me, but I gotta say my goodbyes. Man. I gotta get 20s. Hey, they lucky they getting these tires though, man. Tires ain't cheap. But boy, 265, cause I can't be on no 265. I can't be on no 265, bro. Them the ones the dude gave it to me on Facebook for. He had them on a Challenger though. I was gonna go to my 305, but I was like, man, if I go 305, I just want 20-inch rims, bro.
Yes.
I want no 305 22s, bro. Tell me why we get pulled over selling the rims.
Be like, fuck.
Alright, man. Stocks is back on, but we still look mean in the front. I don't know if we got lower or not, but hey, man. Appreciate you taking me, bro. Brother.
Yes, sir, brother.
Hey, I'm gonna get you up when my wheels is here. You know what I'm saying? You take me again. Alright, man. Alright, bro.
Take it easy, let me
Appreciate it,
squeeze
bro.
it.
Alright. So the rims is finally here. I didn't get to catch them get dropped off because I was asleep, but the rims is here and we're gonna get them put on today. Let me show y'all them real quick. Okay, here go the rims right here. I'm finna take all this tape apart and open the box to take a look at them. First box open, I'm gonna give y'all a little sneak peek of what the rims actually is real quick. Ferrada wheels, boy. Damn, I'm gonna open one more. See if I can do it on camera. Damn, hold on, I'm gonna get back to y'all. Box is finally open. Let's go. These right here, the Ferrada FR4s, man. 20-inch rim. Man, I can't wait to throw these on. Let me flip it around for y'all real quick, bro. Anything else in the box? This is the center cap. Let's take this off.
And that y'all gave me,
Hey.
to use my phone.
Ferrada F. Put them on.
We all do it. And then
You got a flash.
created the account.
You got a flash, so it's looking bagged right now. Hey, we on bags, dude. That whole look bagged. Sleep. I don't know how I'm gonna make it to the shop with this right here going on, but hey, I'm finna push it though. I don't care, man. I ain't finna be driving fast though, but I'm finna make it to the shop. I don't know how many times I'm gonna stop and air up, but I'm finna make it.
Don't say anything, and I'm like, it's safe for me. Who am I?
Ferrada,
Who am I
boy.
talk to? Because I was
Need the center cap in here. Hopefully. Yeah, that's what it sounds like. One thing about the Ferrada wheels though, man, is I ain't gonna lie, man, they low-key expensive. But I don't know, my rims is here. Now I'm just waiting on the tires. I don't know how long that's gonna take them, but damn, I was hoping they had them already. Hopefully it's today, man. I wanna put them on today, bro. I don't wanna wait another day. All right, y'all, so it's day number 2, man. Them tires ain't even end up showing up yesterday, so hopefully they show up today. They said it's supposed to show up 2 to 3 o'clock, so it's the next day. I ain't get to go to no meet yesterday, so I don't know. Hopefully they come today, so I can throw them on. We can see how I look. And it's a meet today, so I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna go to that one. I'm gonna go ahead and go to that meet after I put these wheels on. But yeah, I got my homeboy here on the way. He's finna come pick me up. He's finna help me take them, and then we finna see how they look. You know what I'm saying? We finna see how they look. I already know it's gonna fit, but to see them in person versus in pictures and videos, it's gonna hit a little different. So yeah. So I'm gonna get back to y'all when he here and all that, and we get to the shop. All right. This is what we going through trying to get to the shop. This tire got all the way down to 4 PSI when we pulled up. In that short amount of time. Now this machine acting like it don't even want to work for real. Oh, bro. It's for real, bro. This shit is just dropping. This shit's fucking crazy.
like the vibe.
Finally made it to the shop because got the rims in the back of his truck. Hey, did them tires end up coming yet?
Huh?
The tires end up coming yet? For real?
Yeah, you get here like 20 minutes before the tires.
For real? Throw them on. The tire is going on. 305 R20 nitto. You gotta get out the shop while they're working. I don't know if y'all can see from here, but them looking clean right now. Car looking dirty though, as usual. I'm finna get it washed after I put these wheels on, but man, that's looking nice with that 305. Now I just need to get my lug nuts painted, bro. Them hoes brown as fuck. I just need to paint. Okay, so the wheels is finally on, and man, I love how it look, man. These my favorite wheels too, I'm not gonna lie. I need to get my lug nuts painted though, but everything came out smooth, man. These Ferradas go hard, man. The Ferrada FR4s. And I'm on 305, so it's hanging out just a little bit. But yeah. This is another angle of how the wheels looking, man. The car looks nice. Is lined up out here. Let's go on the end. Ooh, on the end. Let's stay pretty cool. Who did? Yeah, that dude again. Yep.
They got the cookie sandwich.
Do they have it on her? The cookies and cream on her?
Those are they probably charge some like $4. Probably nothing, man. It's too hot.
It's too hot for ice cream. Never heard
Just
that.
melts.
Ooh, I want these. Yeah, this is my favorite.
99 cents for the whole thing. Then somebody was trying to make the water hot.
You just getting one?
One as well?
Yeah. What's up, bro? Let's take a look at these new wheels, though. Hold on, that Hemi don't look too bad. He got a Hellcat hood on that Hemi. That don't look bad. Let's take a look at the wheels real quick, though. Ooh, they look nice. I like how that one be sitting up in there. First time seeing two of that mud clean. Hey, that mud clean. I ain't even gonna lie. Like, I don't like camo like that. I mean, I do like camo. Everybody doing it, but that's different. That mud clean. You can't even see him sitting up in there either. Boy, that boy too dark. Hey, it's clean though. You can see the wheels sticking out. That did not even sound It's a bunch of 5.0s, bro. Almost every meet, bro. It's a lot of Mustangs. Okay, I see what he's trying to do with it. Do put a band-aid on the scratch. Hey, that's clean though. That motherfucker saying low. Put a little carbon fiber hood. Little carbon fiber. There you go, be bumping into me. Dang, this Challenger over here talking though. This clean. With the speakers right here on the side. Oh, that's wet. That's wet. Okay, you got the little wide body on the Camaro. I don't like this wrap simply because so many people have done it. Yeah, I ain't never seen it on a Mustang for real, but oh, that boy man. That boy man. That boy clean though. It's still clean though. That Camaro got the butterfly doors on here. This whole new lineup right here is clean, bro. That big wrap over there goes crazy, bro. Okay, so this Corvette chopping. That boy sound clean. That is nasty. I can't wait to do my lights. I still ain't done that yet, but you know what I'm saying? One at a time. I wonder how much these doors cost doing it like that. Seeing this one at one of the other meets. They're going crazy over here. This mud's sitting on the ground, bro. It's sitting on the ground. The wrap on this is going so crazy. Yeah, this go down as one of the crazy wraps. I'm not even gonna lie. Yep, it was a GMC though. Hey, it look clean, man. Got something else sitting on the ground, chilling. Dude, look how the rim sitting in a tire, bro. God dang. Bro, this is so crazy, man. I see they trying to go crazy down here. God damn. Whew, this is probably the best car here, I'm not gonna lie. Got another Hellcat. Damn, he got the drags on this mud too. I like the setup you got, man.
Hey man, thank you.
Golly, on the forges too. That mud is right. Ain't gonna lie, I'm loving my new wheel setup. Loving my new wheel setup. When the light them up. What's good, YouTube, man? This is the next day. I had to leave that meet, bro. That cost was pulling up, man. So I had to get up out of there. But this is what the wheels look like. I know I need to repaint my lug nut spikes, but man, this is what the wheels look like. I really like them, bro. This one sitting in a little bit. I'm on 305s too, you know what I'm saying? I want to go 315, but I don't want no chance of rubbing at all. You see my 305 still stick out, so I'm not tripping on the 315s, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, I like the new wheels. I'm gonna get them like, I don't know, I might get like a ceramic coat wrap or something. Just cause they said that these Brembo brakes, man, they'll really make your rims black and stuff. So, yeah. But yeah, overall, I like them, man. I went 305. No, I went 275, 40, 20 in the front. Then the back is 305, 35, 20. I wouldn't try to change that middle number just to have more meat right here, because I promise you might rub on the inside with it being a 305. But you know what I'm saying? Overall, I like the rims, because you can't really tell until you drive with 22s on and then put 20s on, bro. You're gonna be able to tell the difference. But I'm gonna end up sticking with these, because I'm not gonna lie, I paid a little bit for these, man. So even if I do go to another car in the future, I'm just gonna take these wheels with me, unless I find some better ones. But oh my goodness, it look like I left my thing open. Look at this, man. It been raining and I left this open, not all the way cracked, but I should have seen if I closed it all the way. Don't look like nothing got on the inside, nah. All right, y'all, I'm probably finna end this video, but you know what I'm saying, I got more things coming to the car, probably not no time soon, because this was a little expensive doing this, but I don't know, who knows. I might do something, you never know. But subscribe to the channel, man. We're gonna be going to meets and all that other stuff, installing new stuff on the car. But yeah, peace.